In this video, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive for macOS 27 Golden Gate. First, we'll download the full macOS 27 Golden Gate installer, and then we'll use it to create a bootable USB drive. Since macOS 27 Golden Gate is currently available only as a developer beta, make sure you have joined the Apple Developer Beta program and enabled macOS 27 Developer Beta updates in System Settings before proceeding. Let's start by downloading the installer. Open Terminal. We'll use two simple commands to download the full macOS Golden Gate installer, which is required for creating a bootable USB drive. Paste the first command shown on screen and press Enter. This command will display all macOS installers currently available for your Mac. Next, paste the second command and replace the version number with the macOS Golden Gate version you want to download. At the time of recording, the current version is 27.0. Press Enter and wait for the download process to complete. Once the download is finished, close Terminal. Now, connect your USB drive to your Mac. Open Disk Utility. Click View and select Show All Devices. Select your USB drive from the left sidebar and click Erase. You can use any name you like for the USB drive. For format, select macOS Extended Journaled. For scheme, select GUID Partition Map. Once everything looks correct, click Erase. When the process is complete, close Disk Utility. Next, open Terminal again. We'll now create the bootable USB drive. Since creating a bootable USB requires administrator-level access, first type sudo followed by a space. Now, we need to enter the full path of the createinstallmedia tool. The easiest way to do this is to open your Applications folder, right-click on the macOS 27 Golden Gate installer and select Show Package Contents. Open the Contents folder, then open the Resources folder. Here, you'll find a file named createinstallmedia. Simply drag and drop the createinstallmedia file into the terminal window. Now type --volume, followed by a space. Then drag your USB drive into the terminal window as well. This will automatically enter the correct USB path. Once everything looks correct, press Enter. Enter your administrator password and press Enter again. Type Y and press Enter to confirm. Terminal will now begin creating the bootable USB drive. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your USB drive. Once you see the message, Install Media is now available, your bootable USB drive is ready. That's it! You can now use this bootable USB drive to install macOS 27 Golden Gate on any compatible Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other macOS guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!